Welcome to my brand new vault office, everybody. Welcome. Look at this virtual environment I'm in now. Welcome. Look, I can press all the buttons and flip all the switches. Now let's get you guys into the stream here. Where's the chat at? It's right over here. There it is. There you guys are, right there in the chat. Feel free to go ahead and put a 1 in the chat. Go ahead and say hello. You'll come up right over here on my virtual 3D chat board that I got going on the next level over here, everybody. Check it out. There ain't nobody who doing it like Kismet doing it, everybody. This is a true 3D object. I'm in a 3D environment right now. Not no 2D pseudo simulation of 3D. This is the real deal. This is by used a program called Polypop. It is a brand new beta program right now that uses a game engine to create 3D objects. Now, I had to create a lot of this stuff from scratch. It's literally hundreds and hundreds of hours of trying to figure out how to make it work and do what I wanted to do. And, you know, and I got to make the 3D models and all of that stuff. And then I had to collect all of these. By the way, I played all of these on stream. And I get the question all the time, Kismet, did you play Valheim? Yes. Have you played Fallout 4? Yes. No Man's Sky, Breakwater, Stream, Pirates, Icarus, Ghost, and I go on and on and on. If you see it scrolling behind me here, that means that I played it on stream. So there you go, everybody. Now let's see what we're going to play today, everybody. We're going to play some Fallout 76 right over here. We got it queued and ready to go. That's live, everybody. That's live right now. That is me having that ready to go. Don't be afraid to try stuff, to challenge yourself, to do amazing virtual offices like me. Look at this. Ain't nobody doing this, everybody. These are true 3D objects right here. That's because you got to have that Polypop and you got to have the 3D knowledge, the graphic knowledge. You got to have that next level, up in the Kismet level, up in the Teamwork Tycoons level, like all of you guys, to get this fired up and get this going on. But look at this. Isn't this awesome? This is live right now. This is so cool. Watch this. I can go in, I can press that. Boom. Look, that's updating live. Same thing here with Fallout 76. You can see that is actually live right this moment. Loving the new setup, kids. Thank you, Red Raven. If you notice that also the reflections move along with the background, because again, this is true 3D. Well, so I can do dynamic camera changes at the same time. You're like, Kismet, you're in the wrong layout. You got to do the new world layout. Oh, really? Oh, I need to go whoop and shrink down. I need to go ahead and bring the interface over, and I need to bring the bid cup across to over here. All right, that's what I will do, everybody, because we go on next level. Look, and it even put the thing right back up down there. Isn't that awesome? And you're like, hey, Kismet, let's go back to playing some other games. All right, whoop, whoop, whoop. Just like that, dynamically changing screen. This is all in one scene, by the way, everybody, for all you streamers out there. I am just next leveling it, everybody. I'm doing pioneering stuff. I'm blazing that trail for everybody else to do amazing interactions like this with your stream. So if you want to check it out, the name of it is called Polypop. This is in no way sponsored by them, though I do love them over there, because every time I go over there and try to think of crazy things like I just did, they're always like, oh yeah, hey, you could try this, you could try that, you could try this. And I say, oh, what about this? And they say, oh yeah, try that. Blah, blah, blah. So big love to them. They're very responsive over there. If you have ideas and things you want to do on your stream, pop on over there, whatnot, and then all of a sudden you feel like really awkward. Hey, there we go. Tech trying it out today. Oh, it's working. Oh, look, the sub goal is working. Yay, all right. Thank you so much for that love, Techie, for coming in and with that 12 months of sub love. Congrats on that brand new sub badge as well. You did it. You did it. You got your wings. Yeah, polypoplive.com. And I'll just go ahead and throw them in the chat as well. What the heck.